Could a zombie apocalypse actually happen? The real science behind it, but could it actually happen? Could a virus, a fungus, or something else turn humans into mindless, aggressive shells of themselves? In this episode of EduCrumbs, we're diving into real science, real organisms that show us just how close nature already gets. Here are 4 terrifyingly real possibilities behind a zombie apocalypse. The Cordyceps fungus, real-life mind control. In the rainforests of the world, there's a fungus that hijacks brains. Cordyceps unilateralis infects ants, takes over their central nervous system, and forces them to climb up vegetation before killing them and sprouting from their bodies. The ant isn't just sick, it's being controlled. Cordyceps doesn't currently infect humans, but fungi evolve. And with rising temperatures, some researchers worry about fungi adapting to higher body temperatures, like ours. A fungus that can control human behavior isn't science fiction. It's science waiting for a mutation. Rabies, the rage virus that already exists. Rabies is already terrifying. It's a virus that infects the brain, causes aggression, paranoia, hydrophobia, hallucinations, and it's almost always fatal. And yes, it spreads through bites. What makes rabies even scarier? It can lie dormant for weeks or months before symptoms start, giving it plenty of time to spread. Now imagine a mutated form of rabies, airborne, faster incubation, longer infectious periods. It wouldn't raise the dead, but it would turn the living into violent, panicked carriers. That's dangerously close to zombie territory. Neurotoxins and parasites, hijacking the brain. Some theories behind zombies in Haitian folklore involve tetrodotoxin, a poison found in pufferfish. It can paralyze someone, slow their heartbeat, and make them appear dead, only to wake up hours later. Combined with drugs like scopolamine, victims can lose all free will, functioning but suggestible. Then there are parasites like Toxoplasma gondii, which alters behavior in rats, making them attracted to cats, their predator. Over 30% of humans already carry it, mostly dormant. What if it evolved or got weaponized? Mind control isn't just possible, it's happening, just not yet on us. Prions, the undead molecules. Prions are misfolded proteins that cause other proteins to misfold, essentially spreading like a virus, but with no DNA or RNA. They destroy brain tissue, create holes in the brain, and cause dementia, tremors, and death. The result? A brain full of holes and a body still moving, sometimes for days. Think of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or Kuru, where victims would laugh uncontrollably, tremble violently, and lose all motor control. Prions don't spread quickly, but they are unstoppable, unkillable, and currently have no cure. If a prion jumped into the general population, it wouldn't look like a movie zombie. It would be slower, creepier, real. So, could a zombie apocalypse actually happen? Not the kind from the movies, but mind-controlling fungi, viruses that hijack behavior, parasites that suppress free will. They're already here. The more we study the natural world, the more we realize fiction didn't create zombies. Nature did. Want more science that keeps you curious and a little creeped out? Hit subscribe. This is EduCrumbs, and we're just getting started.